Good day, traders. This is Liam from Sureshotfx. Today I've got another forecast about gold for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with gold. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So, starting with the current market structure on hourly time frame, we can clearly notice that last week market impulsively went upwards and took out old swing liquidity. Afterwards, market internally shifted bearish and maintained the bearish order flow, which eventually caused change of character. As a result, market direction now bearish structure-wise. So, following the momentum, our bias is currently bearish this week. Currently, market is pulling back towards this breaker block in a corrective way. As this is Monday, this little bullish move might be an inducement to carry out the bearish run once again. So, wait for lower timeframe structure shift like this to enter sell from this zone. Now, let's hide our drawings and go to daily timeframe. Here we can notice that market is very close to the daily order block. So, the bearish trend on H1 is a pullback of this bullish leg. You must keep an eye on price action around this zone, as this can act as reversal point for the H1 trend. Because market most probably going to react from this OB. Now, if we go to H4 timeframe, we can notice that there's an unmitigated order block here below and also here. Both zones has a probability to play out as a reversal point. So, we're waiting for once more bearish push towards these zones. Now, going back to hourly time frame and get our drawings back, what can we expect from gold market this week? We're waiting for inducement, which is a pullback, to mitigate the zone and then continue to go downwards till this demand zone. Let's summarize the forecast for you once again. Gold bias is potentially bearish this week, and we're expecting a pullback before the continuation from this breaker block. That's all for our gold forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.